Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yep, I forgot to record an intro, but for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to boost the moisture in your hair with hot oil treatments midweek before you wash it. If you are interested in that, stick around and I'll show you how, but first I'm going to show you all the ingredients. I'll use this glass measuring jug. Then you'll need another little measuring jug or a spoon to measure out all of the oils. I'm using castor oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, amla oil, peppermint oil, sea buckthorn oil, avocado oil, and last but not least, vitamin E oil. So I'm first going to add in the carrier oils, which are going to be castor oil, grapeseed oil and jojoba oil. So for this I'm going to be using 30 mils of each. So now I'm just going to add in 10 mils of the amla oil and 5 mils of all the other essential oils. Now that I've mixed in all of the oils, I'm going to mix them together so it makes a nice rich oil, and then I'll pop it into the microwave ready for the next step. So here I am with my hair that has been in a low bun for the past week and a half. I missed my deep conditioning treatment just because I wanted to do nothing with my hair, because it's just pre-dreadlock hair right now. I'm going to go ahead and start detangling it with my fingers all the way around before I begin putting in the hot oil treatment. Now look at that lovely rich colour in the hot oil. That will be the sea buckthorn oil, and it has an excellent source of vitamin C, which is another antioxidant. And that helps maintain healthy hair. See, the vitamin C aids in improving scalp circulation, since a healthy scalp is essential for shiny, well-maintained hair. And can I just say, look how dry and rough the top of my hair looks. The ends look like they really, really need this hot oil treatment. So this next step has got to be my favourite part. I go in and massage my scalp for about 4 minutes. Off camera I do actually do the inversion method, but just for the purpose of the video I'm showing you this part. Now the next part in this process is to focus in on the ends and then just run the oil on the whole shaft of my hair and just really work it in. So the last application process will be spraying in my Ayurveda Thirsty Hair Tea Rinse. Now this tea rinse is amazing. It strengthens my hair, keeps my hair well moisturized. I will leave details in the description bar where you can purchase it, and also a card at the top to show you how you can make it yourself. So guys, this is the next morning. It was way too late for me to continue filming, so I washed out the hot oil treatment and I just put my Mel's Butter Me Up cream in. I put a dollop of that in. I will leave the details in the description bar below for you, and also I put the flaxseed gel on. I'll leave a card up here and also a link of the video of the DIY that I did of how to make flaxseed gel. So I put that all over my hair, put my hair up in a ponytail, on goes the satin bonnet, and voila, when I woke up this morning, look at this, free defined curls. Oh, incredibly, honestly, it's so soft. Definitely packed with moisture. I haven't yet styled my hair. Literally, this is all I've done. Once it came out of the pineapple, I kind of went like this to bring it down. I put a bit of the flaxseed gel around the edges, but can we just appreciate the work of the hot oil treatment? Shine is there. I've got no extra water on this morning, no cream, no flaxseed gel, nothing. is all that was done last night. Loving it. I have volume as well, not as much as I wanted on day 1, but by day 2 and 3, girl, yeah, my hair's gonna be big. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and also leave your comments down below. If you've done hot oil treatments, let me see your pros and cons about it. Has it made your hair really nice and shiny? Has it given it the moisture that it needs before you give it the wash that it deserves? I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers that have been with me for a little while now. Thank you so much for being with me. I love you all. And you new subscribers, you are so welcome to this channel. I hope I will not disappoint you. Guys, I'm gonna go now. I need to style my hair and get on with my day. I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.